Hi everybody, Brett back out to do scale modeling with an update on my 69 Chevelle becoming a 69 Pontiac Beaumont. So as you can see, I've got it all painted. I've not sanded or clear coated it yet. This is Model Car World Champagne Metallic Gloss Lacquer. Very beautiful paint. Went down nicely, went down smooth. Got some bare metal foil on it. I used some of this fusion firm that I heard so much about, starting with Frank. Put that on there around these parts here. Still need to touch up a little bit. Put bare metal foil front and back. You can see I got the Pontiac rear end on it. Taillights went beautifully. The whole thing fit in there really nice. I did break part of it off right there, so I'm just gonna leave that as damage from time. And I made a little bit of a mistake on the front. I put the nose down too low. I test fitted it, but I didn't attach it right when I was squeezing it together, so it sits too low there. So I'm gonna have to try and make it for the hood to fit in a little better. Right now you can see there's a gap, a pretty good one. If I try to take it off, and I've tried, I'm just gonna snap it. So this will just be a learning experience, but you can see I've used, again, Fusion Firm Chrome for all of that resin right there. Then I use some Tamiya panel line wash to black it out. And as you can see straight through the grills. Looking good. So body looks really good. There's a few things that are gonna need sanded out before I do have another bottle of this to put another coat on it and then put my clear coat on it. A little messed up there when I was putting the foil on. The body's looking really good and the parts fit perfectly. If I'd have done it right, it wouldn't have been an issue. So there's the body. These parts just taken off. I need to chrome the handles, put some black accents around there. I'm doing the interior white. I got these floor covers, or floor mats, sorry. I cannot remember who I got them from. Should have saved the packaging. And I've got these thrush glass packs there. These, I'm pretty sure, came from, well, I can find out right now. I got it right here. VCG resins. Got me those. You can see this door I have done the chrome trim on already. This again was used Fusion Firm. I did not bare metal foil this. And it looks pretty good. Grill's ready to go. Got some accents in it. Brake booster's ready to go. This is the part I cut off to fit the new part on. Battery. Pretty sure this is from MC. I gotta start writing this stuff down. I use MCV 3D, VCG 3D, and Iceman 3D throughout all these builds. This is the part that goes on. It's gonna go on under the hood, and hopefully this will help take care of some of the gap. So that's those parts. The engine and interior have been making some good progress. MCV carburetor, Morgan Automotive Detailing Distributor. The boots, I don't know if you can see them, but the 90-degree angle boots are MCV products. I love those 90-degree plug boots. And this coil here, there you go. And the seat belts, I need to reattach that. Just use some photo etch from, I'm pretty sure it's Model Car Garage. Get the seats down. The interior is going to be white. I have not got the exhaust on. I've got the oil filter decal on it. No hoses are hooked up yet. Shocks. gas can. Need to weather it all. It's not going to have overspray from the body. This is more like it was redone after someone inherited it. So here's the 69 Chevelle grill. Here is the resin Pontiac grill dashboard. Here's the resin Pontiac dashboard. You can see it's got 3 gauge holes. It says 2. I'm going to use there are some gauge decals with the kit. I'll use those, and then I'll find another one for in there. Radio parts. You can see how clean this looks. Oh, I can't show you it's going to fit in there because I don't have the rest of it put together. But there's the dashboard. Again, these are Canuck3D. They were unable to ship to the US for a while. I hope they've started again because I need some more of the 69 Beaumont kit so I can make another one and not screw up the front end. So I think that's about it. These are also Canuck3D Pontiac 69 wheels that I'll be using. I used to have their card in here, but I don't know what to do with it. So that's that. All of this Canuck3D stuff fits perfectly. And if you don't mess it up like I did, it'll be great. So they also give you the clear headlights to go in there. And you see they gave me the red tail lights. So there it is. Update on my 1969 Pontiac Beaumont. Thanks for watching. Now, sit your ass to the bench and do something you love. Bye for now.